Ever felt that disconnect between your foot and your engine, like there's a spongy barrier stealing your input? Well, today we're diving into something that promises to bridge that gap with precision and style: the LOKAR Throttle pedal assembly. This isn't just another replacement part, it's an upgrade designed to transform your driving experience. Right out of the box, this LOKAR assembly, part number bag 6115, feels substantial yet surprisingly light at just over a pound. The packaging itself, a neat 11.75 by 8.75 by 2 inches, suggests a well-thought-out, compact design, and knowing it's crafted right here in the United States definitely adds a layer of confidence in its quality and engineering. Now the vehicle-specific fit type is a huge deal here. This isn't some one-size-fits-all compromise. It's engineered to integrate seamlessly with your particular ride. That means less fuss during installation, and more importantly, a precise, consistent feel every single time you put your foot down. What does that translate to on the road? Imagine a throttle response that's immediate, smooth, and utterly predictable. Gone are the days of vague, mushy pedal feel. This assembly aims to give you a direct, almost telepathic connection to your engine. It's about feeling every nuance of power delivery, making heel-toe downshifts smoother and spirited driving more engaging. The quality is evident in its construction. While we don't have a material breakdown, LOKAR is known for durable, high-performance components, and this pedal assembly certainly lives up to that reputation. It feels robust, built to withstand countless hours of driving without faltering. For anyone who truly cares about the driving experience, this isn't just a replacement part, it's an upgrade. It transforms a mundane input into a precise command. Whether you're cruising or pushing the limits, that enhanced control makes a noticeable difference. It's that subtle improvement that makes you fall in love with driving your car all over again. You might not think a pedal assembly could be exciting, but when it performs like this, it absolutely is. It's genuinely satisfying to feel that direct connection. So, if you're looking to elevate your driving experience, to gain a more direct and satisfying connection with your vehicle, the LOKAR Throttle pedal assembly is an incredibly compelling option. It's a premium component designed for precision, durability, and that undeniable feeling of control.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.